You said you had a makeshift garbage bowl, and it's a fine pot, but I make bigger, better pots. You know I'm going to send you a truckload. You hear me?
Well, you have to understand, Rachel, I have to explain this to you because, well, first and foremost, the garbage bowl is now my philosophy for life. The garbage bowl on the countertop simplified not only my cooking, but it also put me in a different frame of mind in terms of how I approach life. There are things that you can get out of the way as long as you have somewhere to put it. It's out of sight, out of mind, and it can wait until the end of the project.
That's right. Deal with it later. Put it all over here, and then when there's the quiet time and the proper time, then we unpack the garbage bowl and process everything. I agree with you, and you made me see my garbage bowl in a different way.
Oh my goodness, that means the world to me. I'm so glad that you and John are doing okay. That day I was working from home. I just need a little bit of background noise. Of course, I keep it on the channel so I can see you. And I literally just stopped everything. I mean, I had like a complete hour and 30 minutes of no productivity whatsoever, just sobbing uncontrollably. But I do want you to know that gave me so much hope, like to see. And I know that people think about celebrities in terms of, oh, they've got money, they can replace that. And the letters from your mom, your notebooks, it just tore my entire heart apart.
It isn't the things. Yes, those all can be replaced. It's the nostalgia and the things you've collected that represent who and what you are, you know. But my mom, even though she's blind in the middle, she has very bad macular degeneration. She, on my birthday, after the house had burned, she wrote on a card and tried her best to write me a letter to start a new collection. And that was really touching. And so many folks gave me notebooks to start filling up again. And then there's the love of people like you. And so sometimes bad things happen so that more good can come of it. And we wouldn't have met had this not happened. So see there's yet another good thing.